Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Apple Magic Trackpad not connecting with your MacBook. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to go ahead and connect your Apple Magic Trackpad with your MacBook. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, there's a few issues that might be happening. As obvious as it sounds, your Magic Trackpad actually might be out of battery. So first things first, you want to make sure that you actually go ahead and charge it for about an hour. Now, after you go ahead and finish charging it, what you want to do is that once you turn on your Magic Trackpad, you want to make sure that it's not connected to any other nearby devices. So what might have happened is that let's say that with this Magic Trackpad, you've connected it to your iMac before, and now you're trying to connect it to your MacBook. If you're not seeing it appear within your MacBook Air under nearby Bluetooth devices right over here, then it might be because this is automatically connected to your iMac. So what you essentially want to do is that you want to go into your iMac and disconnect your Apple Magic Trackpad. After you disconnect it, you should see it under nearby devices on your MacBook Air and then simply just click on connect. But that's the way that I've been able to fix my Magic Trackpad not connecting with my MacBook. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.